1972 Oldsmobile Delta 88. Beautiful car. Got some big wheels on it. What we got done on it for you guys is we got true duals all the way back. 2 1/4. Right off the headers. There and there. All the way back. All the way back. All the way back. Took 6.5 feet of pipe on each side. That's how big this car is.
Sticks.
Huh?
6.5 sticks.
6.5 sticks. Sorry. 6.5 sticks of pipe. As you guys can see, I walk for miles with this car. Into flat tips. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Right there. And right there. Beautiful car. And it's convertible too. Delta 88. Uh-oh. The beast.